struggling to get sleep? Do you have difficult time falling asleep? Or when you fall asleep, you can't stay asleep for a long time? Or you have early morning wakenings? Well, if I can show you today, there is one ingredient that has been proven scientifically to improve your sleep quality. Will you be interested in it? Well, that's exactly what we are going to talk about today. There is one ingredient that can significantly improve your quality of sleep due to the essential role it plays in regulating your sleep process. Now, this one ingredient has been shown to have several properties that we're going to talk about today and how these can regulate your sleep. This ingredient supports relaxation and reduces stress. What happens is that this substance helps regulate a neurotransmitter called gamma aminobutyric acid, which promotes relaxation and reduces the neural activities, therefore helping people to sleep. This same substance also reduces your cortisol level. Now, cortisol is a high stress hormone, and because of stress interferes with the sleep pattern of people. This substance that scientifically has been proven also regulate the production of your cortisol, reduce the production of cortisol, therefore your sleep, your stress level, and therefore reducing the time it takes for you to fall asleep, and also regulate your sleep pattern. It improves also your sleep quality by performing certain things. In fact, studies have shown that this one ingredient increases your deep sleep and also reduces the time it takes for you to fall asleep and decrease your nighttime awakenings. In fact, it's been proven, studies have been done tremendously, and they've seen this pattern several times over and over, especially in people who have chronic insomnia. Another thing that this particular substance does for you is it regulates your melatonin production. And you know that melatonin actually regulates your circadian rhythm when you sleep. And so this particular substance that I'm talking about today, it actually regulates your melatonin production and therefore help with your sleep. It also eases your muscle tension and restlessness. In fact, many people are not able to fall asleep because they have muscle cramps and also they have a restless leg syndrome. And what this substance does is that it actually reduces or causes relaxation of your muscle, and therefore people with muscle cramps and restless leg syndrome will benefit tremendously when they take this particular supplement. What are we talking about today? It's magnesium. Magnesium has been shown to reduce your cortisol level. It has been shown to regulate your melatonin production. It's been shown to ease the muscle tension and restlessness in your muscles. And also, it has been shown to relax people, to regulate their sleep pattern. And also, it not only does it produce that, but it also gives you the ability to remain sleeping for a long time. Now, what kind of magnesium should you take and how much should you take for you to benefit from this effect? The magnesium that has been shown scientifically to help with regulation of your sleep pattern is magnesium glycinate or magnesium citrate or magnesium, call it threonate, Threonate. These are the magnesium that has been studied and shown to help with the sleep pattern of people. How much should you take a day? Well, anywhere from 200 to 400 milligrams a day of magnesium, taking about 30 minutes to about 60 minutes before sleep, has been proven to perform this function that we just mentioned above and therefore regulate your sleep pattern. Now, there's also some food which are rich in magnesium, like almond, spinach, pumpkin seed, also avocados. These are also very rich in magnesium, and when you take on a regular basis, can help you regulate your sleep pattern. The caution is that too much magnesium can cause diarrhea. So if you have chronic diarrhea, you do not want to be messing around with magnesium. And also, people with kidney disease, you should make sure that you talk to your kidney doctor before you start taking extra magnesium, just because it can accumulate in your body and give you an effect that you do not desire. So if you've ever used magnesium and it has helped you with your cramps and restless leg and regulate your sleep pattern, I want you to leave us a comment here. Share your experience with our watchers because somebody will benefit from it. Also, share this video with people who are suffering from chronic sleep, and this might help them to be able to have a good sleep pattern. And also, I need you to subscribe to our channel and give us a like, and come back here weekly for your weekly medical tips. Until then, this is Dr. Moses, and I'll see you on the next episode.